Kevin Hockey here from Real Estate Agency Sales, and we're here with Jeremy Streten from Streten Masons Lawyers. And we've got a few questions to ask him about his company.
Yeah.
And so Jeremy, Streten Masons Lawyers, where's your offices?
Yeah, so we're located in Morningside in Brisbane and Caboolture, which is about 50 kilometres north of Brisbane, and lets us cover a broad range of areas. We have clients from everywhere from the Gold Coast through to the Sunny Coast and probably out to Toowoomba. So gives us a good broad range between the two offices.
How long have you guys been operating?
Just over 6 years. We had our 6-year anniversary on the 1st of September. So
6 years.
yeah, so it's been a good journey and been a fun adventure. So yeah,
you guys have kicked some goals in that time, haven't you?
we have. Yeah, it's been good.
It's been amazing. And what's your specialising areas?
Yes, So we decided to do things a little bit differently to a normal law firm. Rather than saying that we're a property law firm or a commercial law firm, we decided to act for a certain type of client, and that's small to medium-sized businesses. So we often say our 3 differentiation points are: we provide fixed fees for all of our services, so no time costing Streten Mason Law, which is a good thing. We have a 7-step plan that we handle all of our files through, and we also provide comprehensive advice through what we call the business legal lifecycle of a business. And so that's everything from the beginning of a business to the end of a business, and providing full advice to clients and business owners, so that they don't have to come to us for one bit of advice and then have to go to a complete other lawyer. So what we're looking at is being a trusted advisor for that whole period of time.
Oh, fantastic. And we can now watch you on TV. We've been on Kosh's show, and you've been on, what is it, Sky
News. I haven't been on Kosh's TV show. I've been on Kosh's radio show a couple of times. I'm hoping to get onto his TV show, but Sky News Business, they've been kind enough to have me on 3 times already, and I'm looking forward to doing some more soon with them. So
I've seen a couple of those, and you've got some great tips and advice in there. That's fantastic. Now, the Business Legal Lifecycle. Tell me about it.
Well, the Business Legal Lifecycle, I wrote a book about it, and so anyone who's interested, it's available in all good bookstores, which is defined as any bookstore that actually has my book in it.
Yes.
But the easiest place to get it from is Amazon, if people are interested. But basically, what the Business Legal Lifecycle does is it goes through 13 phases of the business, and what we did, my business partner Craig Mason and I did, is we wanted to look at a practical way of actually structuring how you get legal advice for a business. Because what we recognised was people came to a lawyer and the lawyer said, you've got to do all this stuff. And back in the days when you started a business with $20,000, $30,000, getting $5,000 or $10,000 worth of legal advice was okay. Today, in 2017, when we're filming this, you've got the opportunity to start a business with a laptop, an idea, and an internet connection. Yeah. You don't have the money in most cases to actually get legal advice. So we went, when do successful businesses take certain legal steps, and when do ones that fail not take those steps? And we mapped that out over 13 phases and put that together as this is when you should do things from a practical point of view, and make sure that you get advice. So throughout the book, I give a lot of advice about who you should go and speak to. So when do you need to see a lawyer? When do you need to see an accountant? When do you need to see a financial planner? When you should speak to other consultants, coaches, brokers? All that kind of information is all included there, so that business owners can use this as a practical guide for, okay, this is when it's happened in my business, so I should go and speak to this person and I should get that advice.
I've read the book, it's fantastic, and it's not specific to Brisbane or Queensland or anything like that, is it? So
no, the idea of the book is Australia-wide. So the beautiful thing about businesses is that the law is basically Australia-wide. I've kept it nice and broad so that it's not specific to Queensland, because some of the laws do change. I use a lot of examples, and they're from clients who are based in everywhere from Brisbane to Perth. I've changed names to protect their identity, so I didn't want to get accused of saying anyone's name out of place. But there's lots of practical examples that are real examples to show one thing's happened for business. Because that's another thing that I found is that being in business can be very lonely. If you're a sole business operator, even if you've got a business partner or 3 business partners, it's still a lonely thing and a lonely journey to be on. So knowing that someone's got your back and that people have been there before, I've found is very valuable. So that's why I've kept lots of examples in here about what other people have been through, so that business owners can understand what happens in business. And that I think that most problems that people have in business have probably been encountered by many other business owners in the past in many other different fields. They just didn't know.
Yeah. Well, we've at Real Estate Agency Sales, we've been using Streten Masons Lawyers for a number of years now, and it's been the best association we've had with another company, and we certainly won't be going anywhere else. Whenever we refer Streten Masons Lawyers, our clients get a great service, and that's really important from our perspective. So thank you very much for that. Thank you, Jeremy, and continued success with the Business Legal Lifecycle.
Thanks very much, Kevin.
Cheers, mate.
Okay.